and that is the full adder. Okay, now coming to the next part, and that is the full adder. Okay, now here in this case, here in this case, just a second. Okay, full adder output expression. Now here in this case, in full adder, one more input would be present. There, three inputs would be there. So the third input would be C in. Third input would be C in. Okay. Okay. Now three inputs are present over here in this case of the full adder. Okay. Third expression is carry in. Fine. Third expression is the carry in. Okay. Now based on three inputs, we are having total 8 combinations, and these 8 combinations are written over here. Okay. So these 8 combinations are written over here. Fine. Now let us perform the operation. Fine. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give us 0, and carry would also be 0. 0, 0 and 1 would give 1, carry as 0. Okay. 0, 1 and 0 would give sum as 1 and carry as 0. Okay. And after that, here it would give us sum as 0 or carry as 1. Okay. After that, here sum as 1, carry as 0. Here sum as 0, carry as 1. Now here 1 plus 1 plus 0, sum as 0, carry as 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will give 1 as sum and 1 as carry. Okay. Okay. Now in the sum case, we are getting 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and in the cout we are getting 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Fine. Okay. Now what we can see from here, if we wish to write down the expression, if we wish to write down the output expression, then we can also write it down. Okay. Now for writing down the output expression, okay, let us use slide. So I would have to write down the output again. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. 0, in this case also 0, 0, 0, so then 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. So this is basically the outputs that we are getting in case of the full adder. Okay. These are basically the outputs that we are getting in case of the full adder. Okay. So here we can write down the sum part. So sum would be S, we can write down the S part. So S means sum would be wherever 1 are present, we can write. Okay. So we would take this, it would be A bar, B bar, C in. Okay. Next, it would be A bar B, C in bar plus A, B bar, C in bar plus A, B, C in. A, B, C in. Fine. So these we would be getting. Okay. Now after simplifying, what we can get? We can get A bar, then B XOR C in plus A, B XOR C in. Fine. After further simplifying, what we will get? We will get A bar. Okay. B XOR C in plus A. We can write down XOR in this format also. So this would further give as sum is equals to A XOR B XOR C in. Okay. So this is the final expression of the full adder sum. Okay. So if we would compare it with the half adder, so in case of the half adder, what we have got? We have got A XOR B. Now in this case of the full adder, what we have got? A XOR B XOR C in. Fine. Now comparing it, now we can also write down the output part. Okay. Now we can also write down the output part. So means output equation we can directly write down, or You can simplify the output equation using the K-map also. Okay. If you wish, we can try using the K-map. Okay. We should try using the K-map. Fine. The output expression. So, fine. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. So here it would be A, B, C in. A bar A, B bar in. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 2. Fine. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Fine. So this is the basic thing. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. For 3, we are getting 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So in this way, we are getting the things. Okay. So in this way, we are getting the things for the C out. Okay. For the C out part. Okay. So now we have to make the pairing. Okay. Now we have to make the pairing. So what we can do? First pair is this. Next pair is this. And the third pair is this pair. Okay. Fine. So for this, we would be getting B, C in. Okay. For this, we would be getting A, B. Okay. And for this, we would be getting A and C in. A and C in. Okay. So final output expression of C out would be AB plus BC in plus C in A. Okay. So this would be the final output expression of the full adder. Okay. AB plus BC in plus AC in. Okay. So this would be the final output expression in case of the full adder. Okay. Now I'm erasing this and I would write down the expression that we have got in case of the full adder. In case of the full adder, fine. So for the output expression, sum was A XOR B XOR C in, and for the carry it was AB plus B C in plus A C in. So it is easy to remember the sum and the carry equation. In the sum, it is the XOR of all the inputs, and in the carry, if 3 inputs are present, then we have to take the 2 pairs, and then we have to OR. First, we have taken AB, then BC, then CA. Fine. Okay. So in this way, we can easily learn the uh, output expression of the full adder. We can easily learn the output expression of the full adder. Fine. Now, next coming to the full adder part. Okay. Now next coming to the full adder part. Okay. So yeah, now next coming to the full adder thing. So here we would be what we would be doing. We would be making the block diagram of the full adder. We would be making the block diagram of the full adder. Okay. So in case of the full adder, sum is given by A XOR B XOR C in, and the carry is given by AB plus BC AC. Fine. Okay. Now, what we would be doing, we would be making this full adder using half adder. Okay, using half adder. Fine. So first thing is we are taking the inputs as A, B. Okay. From here we are getting output as AB. Right. Now So here we would be getting A XOR B, fine. A XOR B, okay. Now A XOR B would be odd with C in, okay. So next we would be taking C in, okay. Here what we would be getting? We would be getting A XOR B odd with C in, fine. Now here what we can get, we can get A XOR B XOR C in. Okay, here we will get A XOR B XOR C in. Okay, now this and this needs to be odd. These two needs to be odd. So we can get AB plus A XOR B C in. Okay. So this is the another expression of the carry. Okay, see, so this is another expression of the carry. So here we are getting the sum, and this is basically the, okay, so these are the sum and the carry. Okay, so these are the sum and the carry. This is another expression of the carry. Okay, this was one expression, or we can also write it down, AB plus in this format. Okay, so these are the two expression of the carry. Okay, so these are the two expression of the carry. Okay, from here what we can deduce is that this full adder, okay, this is, if we can see, this is particularly one half adder, this is particularly one half adder, and this is particularly another half adder, this is particularly another half adder, okay, and this is basically a OR gate. Right? So we can say one full adder can be drawn using two half adders plus one OR gate. Okay, so one full adder can be drawn using uh, two half adders and one OR gate. Okay, fine. So this is the basic about the full adder. This is the diagram, or you can say the circuit diagram of the full adder. Okay, so full adder can be made using one full adder can be made using two half adders and one OR gate. Fine. Now next coming to the summary of the full adder and the half adder. Fine. Now next coming to the summary of the full adder and the half adder. Okay. If we wish to write down the summary of the full adder and the half adder, then what we can write down? Okay. Full adder. Okay, just give me a second. First, we will write down the half adder. Half adder. Next is a full adder. Fine. Half adder and full adder. In case of half adder, sum is A XOR B, and carry is AB. Fine. In case of the full adder, what is there in case of the full adder? In case of the full adder, sum is A XOR B XOR C, and carry is carry, or you can say C out. Fine. In this case, C out is equals to AB plus B C in plus A C in. Fine. So this is the basic equation of the what you can say. So this is the basic equation of the full adder. This is the basic equation of the full adder. Fine. Or you can say yes, this is the basic equation of the summary of the full adders and the half adders. Fine. And for designing one full adder, for designing For designing one full adder, we can use two half adder plus one OR gate. We can use two half adders and one OR gate, fine. So this is the basic summary of the full adder and the half adder. So this is the basic summary of the full adder and the half adder. Okay. So you can easily remember in the half adder it is A XOR B carries AB, and in the full adder it is A XOR B XOR C in, and C out is AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, means in case of the C out we are taking two inputs at a time and making a pair of those and then adding all these, fine. And for making one full adder we can use two half adder and one OR gate, fine. So this is the basic of summary of the full adder and the half adder. Okay. Now, full adder using half adder, this I have already explained it to you. Okay.